Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Fixing Inconsistent Use of Tabs and Spaces in Python Code. Introduction. In Python, indentation is a critical aspect of the language's syntax. Proper indentation using either tabs or spaces is crucial for code readability and execution. However, inconsistencies in the use of tabs and spaces can lead to indentation errors. This tutorial will guide you through identifying and fixing such inconsistencies in your Python code. Step 1. Identify the issue. To identify inconsistent indentation, run your Python script through a linter or use an integrated development environment, IDE, that highlights indentation errors. Common tools for this purpose include Pylint, VSCode, or the built-in linting features of IDEs like VSCode, PyCharm, or Atom. Step 2. Configure your editor for consistent indentation. Before making any changes to your code, ensure that your editor is configured to use a consistent style. Most Python developers prefer using spaces for indentation over tabs. Configure your editor to replace tabs with spaces, or vice versa, to maintain consistency throughout your code base. Step 3. Use a code formatter. Python has a powerful code formatter called Black that automatically reformats code to adhere to the PEP8 style guide, including consistent indentation. Install it using Run Black on your Python script. This will automatically fix indentation issues and format your code according to PEP8. Step 4. Manual inspection and correction. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, manually inspect your code and correct the inconsistent use of tabs and spaces. Look for indentation errors indicated by your editor or linter. Example. Suppose you have the following inconsistent code snippet. To fix this, replace tabs with spaces or vice versa. Step 5. Consistent use of tabs or spaces. Choose either tabs or spaces for your indentation and enforce it consistently throughout your code base. PEP8 recommends using 4 spaces for indentation. Configure your editor to replace tabs with spaces or adjust the tab width accordingly. Conclusion. Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces in Python code can lead to syntax errors and hinder code readability. By using linting tools, code formatters, and manual inspection, you can identify and fix these issues. Adopting a consistent coding style not only improves the maintainability of your code but also aligns it with the Python community's best practices. ChatGPT.